Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today we will be walking and discussing. I'm pushing my bike because I'm a cyclist. I'm always riding to everywhere. So today we will be speaking about Cora. In the next clip it's about Cora, Obidi and Justin. Why? When you talk about picking up garbage in your life, in whichever way you see it, whether it be it from Mr. Obidi or if it's from Cora herself. But trust me, they have been how long they been divorced now? They have been, I think them divorce finalized recently, but they split when she had the baby, because she had the baby, and I think about 2 weeks after she had the baby, them decide to call it quits for whatever reason. But both of them have just been having jabs at each other. When it's not Cora, is Justin. But me know where my legion lies, like, because my alliance, it can never lie with Justin. No. But you see what Cora don't understand? Cora doesn't understand that. Cora doesn't understand that it's not easy to win those color people, those kind of people on their soil. You know, it's not easy to win a court battle between a white man, American, and a black African. Like, it's not gonna be as easy as Cora might have thought, because it's not equal. It's not an equal playing field. It's not equal ball ground. So they're at it again. But you know what? Sometimes I blame Cora, because if she's going to a court procedure or whatever, and the court system says your children, because of the dad doesn't want the kids to be online, right? So if the court system says, okay, do not have the children online as one of the parents, it's an infringement of his privacy. He sees that. Now her dad came to visit her. What Cora did? Cora filmed the dad and the grandkids. The dad and the grandkids meeting up, and she filming it and all of that. But all of those things, it never have to be online. Cora could have filmed those things for a private occasion, but because she's a social media person, I guess she wants everybody to know that her dad is here and the dad is seeing the grandkids. Now the man, Mr. Obidi, the white man, Mr. Obidi decides say he's gonna report Cora. And it's like the man gets pleasure. I think he gets pleasure in doing all of this, because one of them, I gotta be. Hi, darling. May I look for some help? May I try catch a little video? How my bicycle can. I was saying, why would Cora has a court order that she's not to put the kids on the internet? Why she break that order? Now Cora come on the internet and crying, bawling, one whole heap of cow bawling, because the ex-husband report her for some privacy infringement thing. But why she put herself, it's like she put herself to get all this drama and all this negativity. What's the reason why she would want to do that? Because to me, it's like Cora still don't understand that you cannot win this man on his turf. And this man is not going to stop until something happens. Because this man look like he will go all the way, because he wants to have sole custody of the kids, and then Cora will have to Cora will then have to pay child support. But so I go, Cora, you should have stayed Africa and find a nice African prince. Look how much nice man there Africa. Like all this we have to go fight over a little something, because them people they don't have anything. So all this drama, and it's not even a strong machine. You dig? All this drama that you're going through now, and it's not a strong machine, you know? The man not have no strong machine that he's working with. So imagine a little sausage there. Where you go take a little sausage there, and by just taking that little sausage, it causes you to be in so much problem, because Justin not stop. Justin not gonna stop until you until him crush you, until you're all the way down to the ground. That is when Mr. Cora Obidi is gonna stop. That's when Mr. Cora Obidi gonna stop, because that man move on. He has another girl. Look like he's infatuated with slim black girls. He look like he like that. But why can't he find a nice white girl and just stay? Why can't he just find a nice white girl and just stay within his dating, thing? Because as long as she is there, as long as she is in America, Justin now gonna make she have peace. There's no way she's gonna have peace as long as she's in America, because how can it be on the man's soil, take away his 2 kids, and then expect, hey, no, probably Justin go sue her again. Well, that's why you must choose, you know, you must choose the people who you decide to have kids with, because sometimes we can end up in some situation. So yes guys, it's me again. So as I'm saying, we have to know the type of people that we choose to procreate with, because to procreate with somebody like Mr. Cora Obidi, nah, it's like these parents, they are so self-centered. They totally forget about all the kids that are involved. The children them always suffer because the parents can't see eye to eye. And you know what this situation remind me of now? This situation remind me of Ivania Howie situation, where the child is being used as a pawn, just the same. The child is being used as a pawn, just the same. And this parent decides, oh, I have the main responsibility of the child, so I should make all the decisions concerning the child. Now that person say, no, you can't make all decisions for the child because it's my child as well. And it just go in a circle, and it's just going round and round and round and round. And who get hurt in the end, guys? Who get hurt? Now Cora have these nice beautiful girls, but she and the father just can't come toe to toe, because the man is a wicked. The man do not want her to come to America and make it. Him no want to see she come all the way from Africa, come to America, buy her house or apartment, whatever it is she buy her stuff, getting on in life, buy her vehicles, and it would look as if she's progressing in life. No, those type of people don't want that, because how can you want that when you look as if you come to my country and you want to pass me out? No, everybody different, because if that was my if I was in a situation like that, and as long as my children's father winning, as long as the children's father is winning, the way how I would be happy, because I know that once the father is winning, well, it's going to trickle down to the children. But these people are so spiteful and vindictive and hurtful towards each other. At this point, I don't even know who to believe at this point, because Cora come like she a drama queen, Justin come like him a drama queen too. She said all our stuff has been demonetized. So if all our stuff has been demonetized, then that's really sad for her to have so much videos. And the guy did whatever he had to do and caused all that hard work in her creating her videos, now all the videos to be removed from the platform and just demonetized just like that over time. So you see, the guys, that's why I'm saying, even though we're on this in this social media space, we always have to try to find a way where we are able to to survive, where we're able to survive out of that space. Because if your whole life depends on social media, what if it comes down crashing? Like, for example, what has happened to Cora Obidi now? What will she be doing? All her videos have been removed. It's like someone has full control over your anyway, guys, let's look at the next clip and we will hear what Mr. Obidi and Miss Obidi have to say about this matter.
Fight back. The first lawyer that I got in order to fight back. Thank you guys so much for the support. You guys have been telling me to open this GoFundMe, but I've been so ashamed. I've been so ashamed to do this. But I'm no longer ashamed anymore because my father has not seen Adina for 2 years since she was born. She couldn't go home. She couldn't go to Africa because of this man. My father comes to America and I make a video of him hugging his daughter. And this man went to Meta and filed privacy infringements and now deleted all the videos off my page. 3 million views, 2 million views, all gone, all my hard work. The only thing that I'm doing to keep body and soul together. And I am just now discovering that he has gone to tell Facebook that he is the forever if I don't do something about it. April for 500 stupid things. God bless you. Thank you so much. I'm not crying because this is what he enjoys. I'm not crying. If you're not learning anything from me, make sure that you find out if the person you're trying to be tied with is not just a little bit weird, if the person is overly ambitious, if the person is verbally abusive, so that you can know if the person is on the narcissistic spectrum, because this is what you're gonna go through. Guys, and all these actors that do GoFundMes when they have issues in their life, but this is beyond me. I can't do this, guys. I can't do this. Oh God, I need to keep it together. Guys, this is the GoFundMe, like, I have to get a lawyer now. I have to get a lawyer. I'm gonna see what I can do.
Continue to believe it. So we're gonna talk about the truth, because that's all I've ever said on my page is the truth, whether it's related to the human body or anything that's going on in my life or anything else that's going on social media. I don't lie. Why my kids are not allowed online. In January of 2023, I put in a court order with family court that my kids are not allowed online. That's because I was seeing very concerning behavior, such as my daughter's naked vaginas being online, them running out into the street, possibly getting hit by cars, getting lost at parks, putting their foots in garbage disposals, and being exposed to inappropriate behavior online. Okay? So that court order is still in effect. I have never put my kids online because when you put a blanket court order like that, it affects both parents. So in order to protect my children, I also punished myself in order to protect them. So protective services. That is a crime. Now, those of you that are ignorant to the US system, and even I had to learn this through going through the system, Child Protective Services and Family Court are two different court branches. They are not. Child Protective Services is the higher court in the land, and then there's family law. So any family law orders is different than CPS orders, okay? So yes, the CPS case was closed, which she posted the court documents online, which is actually a crime and a huge violation of my children's privacy, which is further proving that she doesn't give two shits about the kids. She only cares about making money. And so this is lying and manipulation tactics 101. You take information out of context and you manipulate people to think a certain thing, okay? These are two separate things. And now I'm forced to file for emergency custody because she's further violating my kids' privacy and showing no desire to protect them. So it is what it is. Like, I've been trying to co-parent in peace, and this person has absolutely been so now she's making a GoFundMe. Good luck. That'll just backfire on her on court. And truthfully be told, she makes $50,000 to $60,000 a month. So you guys are all going to be on here giving her money, and she's just going to pocket it. It's going to go in her pocket, and she's probably going to buy another house in Nigeria, because that's obviously her escape plan, because she's obviously knows that she's not following the rules of the land, and she's just trying to bank out. She's just trying to cash out before she abandons the country and goes back to Nigeria, which, by the way, was always her plan. She told me throughout the marriage that eventually she wanted to go back to Nigeria and live.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today the topic will be about Wahala Queen. So Wahala Queen has come out to apologize, rightfully so, after making disrespectful shall I say comments or actions towards some black men. And a lot of people have been coming out and speaking about it. So she has come out and apologized. Let's see if this is really a true apology, and if she means what she said, because she should, it's now 2024, she should be more aware of social surroundings, the social era. She should be more aware of what's going on, because she has a lot of followers on social media, and I'm sure she is aware, but she does these things to make money. And a lot of these primitive guys who maybe come from the village and don't understand much about the internet, they are behaving in such an inappropriate way that they themselves, because they're not educated, they don't even know that what they're doing is quite dehumanizing and not right. So let's listen to what. So yes, as I was saying, let's listen to some of the views of what others think about the entire situation and in regards to Wahala Queen. So guys, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you.
My name is Tempo Tangeke, the president. You see, I don't really know what to say after coming across this video of a wretched, stupid, how do I put it, this woman called Wahala Queen. You see, these are the things I keep saying about my fellow African men, especially Nigerian men, because no other country, not even Ghana, not even Cameroon or Gambia, Kenya, whatever, doing this bullshit except Nigerians. They know rightfully well that this particular crackhead woman is a racist. This woman called Wahala Queen. She have been using a lot of, stupid racist word to describe black women and black men. And you see some are still rushing on her DM to write her, to let her, feel special. I hope you've come across the video I posted. Where she was commanding a Nigerian guy. I think that guy is from the western part of Nigeria, the Yoruba side. I don't really want to bring race into this, but we got to do better. She was commanding that guy to bark like a dog. And that boy was jumping down, doing jumping down and whatever. And after all said and done, she told him that he is not her spec. What a way to discharge an imbecile. Because I keep telling you black men on how to move like kings. Because you see, this type of black men these days are the reason why some of our sisters are single. This particular way of life you guys have adopted are the reason why some of our sisters are single, or even going to the extent of being single mother. Let me just say, not because I'm talking on the women's side and leaving the men. No, I don't have to live where most of the issues are. I have to talk about it. Because if you know your worth, I don't think these leftover white women online doing nasty things with you will come up. If you guys are well trained, well educated, that's why I say to people, education is important in life. Education is very, very important. Knowing your worth, self-worth, knowing your worth, how you feel, knowing how you move. When somebody look at you, why do you think they don't come across me? Why do you think they don't come and bring shit to this table? Because they know that this table, I'm breaking it every fucking minute. Because when you watch something, if you grab something, if you learn, if you're educated, if you know your words, you don't have to step down for a wretched, leftover, older, TikTok prostitute white woman. Not all of them. There are some good white women out there. Not all. But these particular racist ones on TikTok are the ones using our brothers the way their forefathers killed our forefathers. Now you go to someone, she's mentally ill, she sniffs coke, she's a crackhead. Now you go to her life just to portray yourself as a dog. Now some of our black queen, our sisters, are mad, talking about, look at somebody who will claim or call himself head of the family. Look at what he is doing. And I don't have to blame sisters. If sisters are mad, why will I blame them? Because sisters are complaining. These are the type of men. And this particular Nigerian men will come to our sisters' live, insult them, call them all kinds of names, put them down, insult them, say all kind of shit. But when they go to this white women's live, they are calm. They put their two hands in between their legs. They are calm like ice water. They are calm. They are fucking calm. They don't say anything. I come across one day, one live, where an older white woman is telling African men, shut up. Let me talk. They are all saying, oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Please, guys, you guys should comport yourself. Let her talk. Man, fuck that bitch. But you will go to our sister's life and say all kind of shit when she say, shut up and be quiet, because she's a queen. You all will roar like a lion to destroy, to kill or tear her apart, because we don't have respect for our sisters. I never said don't have respect for human being. Respect human being. Respect your race. Respect other race too. But don't put your sister down and go and be making up with an older, not even young white woman, but older white woman. You go to make up with her. Call her all kinds of lovely names that our sisters are missing. Tell her good things, how you will do her this, how you do her this, while our sisters need love too. We have a lot of single black sisters. We have a lot of single mothers, black sisters too. How many of you wake up, go to their DP to say, hello sister, oh today you look lovely. How I wish I can hold you tight. How I wish I can sweep you. How I wish I can carry you, grab you from the back. When you hit it like 69, you'll be calling on the police. Some of you are not doing it. The kind of sweet things, go to the DM, wake them up, tell them a lot of things. How many have you done to your black sister? That's why when they look at us, they say, look at these ones. No, I have to keep it 100. Forgive me, black sisters, but I have to ride with you on this one. The disrespectful is too much. I might be talking shit because I know what I'm talking about. That's why I want marriages to upheld. That's why I want marriages not to break. I want to see people happy. I want to see every marriage relationship working. I might fail on my own. That doesn't mean that I can't wake up and preach and let people know that marriage relationship is a wonderful and a beautiful thing. If you can have the best out of it, or you can make the best out of it, or have the best person in your life, you will never regret it. But you see what our Nigerian men are doing. See how Nigerian men are disgracing us. Somebody is out there barking like a dog just to get attention of a crack, stupid, white, foolish woman who her own fellow white woman. So even how I wish some of her fellow white women will lay hands on her because they hate her on what she's doing. Now see somebody, a grown-up man who will call himself and demand respect in a family, tomorrow he's barking like a dog for this wahala queen. Black women, we all are not the same. There are some stupid ones. Don't judge us all. Don't judge. There's still a wonderful Nigerian men out there. There's still wonderful African men out there. We all are not the same. There are a lot of stupid.
Guys, I do this video because I know I did the biggest mistake in this TikTok. Like you people know, I do live stream in this TikTok. People are coming up, they're sending requests. I don't send them requests. They are sending requests. Everybody know what I did is bad. But that time, I don't know what is the meaning if a man is packing like a dog. I don't know the meaning. So there was come up and packing like a dog. People are saying to me, Wahala Queen, this what you are doing is not right. This what you are doing is not right. There was explained to me what is the meaning when a man will pack like a dog. From there, I was see that Wahala Queen, you have to stop that because you are hurting people. And my attention, it was never to hurt somebody on this TikTok. People know me on TikTok that I make people laughing. We are laughing. I'm making fun. I'm making anything. That is my content, to make people laughing. Now, with this video, I want to say something. If any time from today you will see I do live stream And I will ask a man again to pack like a dog. Then, please, do whatever you want to do, because this can never happen again. If I say I did a mistake and I apologize now to everybody, I really apologize to everybody who get hurt with what I did, who get hurt by Wahala Queen. I'm standing here. I say I'm sorry to you. It was not my attention to make you feel sad, to make you feel like an animal. I love Africa. That's why I speak Pidgin. I love Africa so much. That's why I speak Nigerian Pidgin. Now, please, accept my apologize. I don't say it only with my mouth. I mean it with my heart. If I do mistake, I will stand here and I will apologize, because I really mean it. I really mean it. So please, I'm very, very sorry to everybody who get hurt. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I will never do it again. I'm sorry.
This morning, we wake up with a good news that Wahala Queen have changed. This is according to the report, or the people who watch her, who believe that she have changed according to what she's saying in her mouth. If you want to deal with a smart woman, you need to be smart. We have to check how this changing started. This lady agreed with us that nobody will bark like a dog. After the following day, the lady tried to make another person bark like a dog. And during the process, we are trying to get agreement with her. She asked me, Chris, if I would stop people from talking about her in my live stream. I said never, but I will not talk about it. But if people come with your talk, I can never stop it. Then we came up. She went to her live stream again. She started trying to lure one man to bark like a dog, which I later posted it. After we agree that we are going to make a movement to show this lady that yes, this issue, we are not joking and we are not just talking. We agree that next week we are going to launch a WhatsApp group, a Facebook group, where we are going to donate a lot of money for this program. Waking up early morning yesterday, I saw Wahala Queen calling me 9 times. I didn't pick. I still came on live video to tell her that I can't pick. Any talk that I'm going to talk with her is going to be on this TikTok. Then waking up yesterday morning, she deactivated her account to make everybody believe that her account is lost. I came out to tell you people no. She is the one that deactivated it. Nobody reported her account. After how many hours she bring it back? Then today or yesterday she told them she have changed. She's now in a relationship. She will start another program. The problem is many of you are not smart. I will tell you something. If you think Wahala Queen have changed, then if they told you that somebody who is a drunkard stopped yesterday, that she's not going to drink.
Music, she speak your language, she cannot be racist. No. Let me just tell you, there are people who talk things to us in Africa that learn our language and turn over their language to us that we was fooled. We was fooled. We were so stupid. We were so stupid. Enough. Yeah, we need to break these generational curses. We need to by all means. Like, come on, your kids are coming up. How will you feel your kid go to school and another kid is looking at them because what their parent taught them home? That they are less of a kind. They make every bad example of blacks. Every bad example you ever ask is blacks. They teach them in school. Can you imagine? We still in Africa, we are not even, instead of we learning how about farming, we are using English as our major. You will see a black person on this platform laughing at another black person because he cannot speak good English. Like, come on. Intelligence comes in every language. A man can be intelligent in his own language. Doesn't mean if he don't speak the other language perfectly, he's stupid. Only black people think like that. Only we think like this. People back home, instead of we speaking, be proud. Someone is telling somebody you are a village boy because he grew up, he was born in Africa. You was born here, but you are a black. And you think you are more better than him. And then you want the changes. You want changes to come within the black community. Where are we going? We are not going anywhere. It's the same black people are talking about this Wahala Queen. I've been to this live watching many times. So many black people are there. They see how so many black men goes up there and they are telling them, you disgracing yourself. An older man. You are old enough. You have children home. You have family depending on you. You coming on TikTok live shaking your. How many white guys? How many Arabs do you see there? How many Arabs do you see there? You only see black people because the stupidness that a black man will act stupid is the happiness of a racist ass. It's a racist motherfucker. It's the happiness of them. When we black people are stupid, it's the happiness of them. It proved their ancestral right that we are slaves. This is why they keep calling you nigger. And people keep saying, this is what I even seen a black man before who told his white girlfriend.
TikTok no pull you come on at the box.
Yeah, the woman by me. Like, I've seen a black man who tell a black woman who call her kids the N-word. Can you imagine that? They are not even educating themselves. They are not calling their kids half caste. They don't even know the word half caste. They are not even educating themselves. Are those people you are following? They are fooling you. They are fooling you. They are not taking you anywhere. You just proving that point right. You just proving that point right. You are proving that point right. They keep looking at us as fools. Because let me tell you, as my black brothers or black sisters, the insult that go to you, no matter how many degrees you have as a black man, you can be a medical doctor, you be a scientist. Let me tell you, a white person who is racist will always see us as the same as another black man who you see with no trousers, who sell drugs on the street, who smoke, drink, do every bad thing. They see us as the same. The moment you come on live and you are talking, black people are talking about how to just know how racist this thing is. Let me tell you how stigmatizing it is. It is. If we black people are up here just discussing about racism, you will see another white person will come up. Trust me, they will come up because they want to make you feel stupid. They will come up with something to make a black man feel stupid. They will never leave you in peace. And we are always the victim. We are always the victim. But we don't learn. Black person, we won't learn. That's the thing.
Big Stepper, let me say something. Yeah. The beginning of when a black man starts treating his own black sisters good is the beginning of wisdom. You understand? Because the way I can see our black brothers, the way they can treat Oyibo women good, they will never treat their own sister like that. I have seen black men proudly push we for Oyibo woman. But when we see them now with their own black children, I barely see them pushing we. I barely see them outside with their black kids. But when it comes to this, their half-caste children, they'll proudly show off those children, proudly stand in family photos, doing every kind of thing to show that they have child with a white woman. But when they have kids with a black woman, no, now they want to be deadbeat. Now they will fight with the woman. They'll insult the woman. They'll do all kind of rubbish. You know, all kind of.
They say they are traditional men. They don't carry their children to street flats. To take them to kindergarten is problem.
They don't do that. Even
for a black
baby love. They don't even when the woman is pregnant. Most of the time, they don't even go with the woman for checkup to see how the baby is inside the stomach. You know, they don't do that. Even down to giving birth, many of them, they will not even be at the hospital while the woman is giving birth. But when it's a Oyibo woman, they'll be there. They'll be there through the whole process. Just to show you how bad some black men are. You understand? When me and that other lady, Nono, some of them, when me and Nono used to talk about this, right, Big Stepper, come and see matured black men will come and insult me for saying the truth. I used to say it, and I'll keep on saying it. Miss Sylvia, I will not stand for a mumu. I will not stand for a mumu that went on Wahala. Let me finish. That went on Wahala Queen's platform, disgraced himself as a human being. That after that, I should fight for him. I'm not gonna do that because you get 5 senses.
Even little children, they know good, you know, that when they reach a certain age, they'll know from good to right, you understand? When you reach a certain age in life, you'll know good and bad. So if you as a grown man, you choose to come on a social media platform disgracing yourself, oh yeah, take the shame. I'm not gonna stand for you. I'm not gonna fight for you because you are the mumu. You understand? And I'll say this: many black men, when they have kids with Oibo women and they have kids with a black woman, they will rather be daddy for the Oibo woman's children more than the black woman's children. They will see the black woman suffer, but then they will not care. You know, then they will be there for the Oibo child. They want the mixed race child. You understand?
Sister, you are very wrong.
No, I'm not wrong. I'm
you
not
are
wrong. I'm not
Don't
wrong.
generalize. I'm a black man. I did everything to put my family at the forefront.
I didn't say all. I didn't say all. I said
then
some.
what you saying applies to white men too.
Listen, I talked
I
about
know some
the
bad
ones.
white guys too.
Okay.
It's individual problem. It is individual problem. Don't say that. Don't say that.
So
it is
why
individual
are we here?
problem.
Why are we here on this platform?
I'm a family man. Listen, I'm a family man. I'm a family man, and I'm a proud black man, and a proud Nigerian too.
I didn't say all black men. Did I say all black men?
But you were saying black men, which means you were generalizing. Don't say that.
I say some of the black men.
You speak out of anger, sister. Calm down. Calm down.
Out of anger. I speak
you speak
out of what I have seen.
Let me tell you something.
What I have seen, I have lived. Chico, I have lived in this Europe for over 20 years, and I have seen enough. That's why I say our black brothers, the ones that have kids with these Oibo women, they choose to be there. They choose to be there.
It is individual problem. It is individual
that's
problem.
Why I said they choose to be there. They will be happily proud of their Oibo children, but when it comes to their black children, they don't even.
Ma, you lie again. No,
Am I lying?
Correct. Am I lying? You lie again. You lie again. It is individual problem.
And Brima, listen, we want to talk. Don't speak. Wait. Savior.
I'm talking about the ones that have seen.
Savior.
It is individual problem.
Yeah, Chico Bello. The thing
ahead,
is,
bro.
This is where the division first starts. You see, this is why I say mental slavery, it still affects every black person. It's like we all seems to be traumatized. I'm not moving myself like, because the first thing, when you want to start a topic of uniting, firstly, don't start to attack another black person. Because then
exactly.
Then where are you heading to?
There is where the problem is. Let me finish. Why will these white women come on social media and disrespect black women? It's because our brothers that go there, they are the ones that will go dirty us to these white women.
You cannot be shouting. You want to preach your message. Nobody will hear you.
But then don't stop me. When I'm talking, let me finish. And then after that, Chico can come and give his 2 cents.
Was I not talking before you tell me?
You understand?
I better keep mute. Calm down, sister. Calm down.
From what I'm seeing. They are the reason why these white women will have the confidence to come and insult us as black women. I asked Wahala Queen. I confronted Wahala Queen. I asked her, why Wahala Queen will you come on TikTok and disrespect black women? Wahala Queen said, Stevie, I'm not going to answer you. I told her, I said, it's because now the black men that have been fucking you, they are the ones that when they are with you, they'll be disrespecting their own black women, and then you now will get the confidence to come on social media and insult us.
Can I say something? Can I please say something?
You are correct. You nailed the point. Exactly.
Can I please
that
say something?
It, but they don't want to accept. I know that it is not all black men, but out of 100, 80, they are like that. They worship white women.
I want to say something,
black women. It's true.
Let me just
they don't want to accept it.
Can you deactivate yourself from attacking mode? Deactivate yourself from attacking mode.
Can I just say something?
Deactivate yourself from attacking mode, sister.
Can I say something?
One after the other.
Okay. Step by step.
Yeah.
But deactivate yourself. Okay.
What Sylvia is saying, some is true, some is not true.
Exactly. Generalizing.
For me, because if we are on this platform, let's be honest, I'm not saying that she's lying or she's not lying, but we are on this platform to learn. Some of these black men and some of these white men do the same thing.
Wow.
When this thing started, I went on. When I was watching Wahala Queen, she was abusing some of these black men.
She's a psycho.
And I was like, oh my God, why is she acting like this? So when I came up there, She say, me, I'm speaking from my heart, between I and God. So when I came up there, and she said, put your camera on. And I put the camera on. And the first thing she said, oh, wow, you are so beautiful, sexy mommy. And I was like, thank you. Then I asked her a question. I say, Wahala Queen, why are you doing this to some of these black men? Do you know what she say? She say, but these black men are the one that's sending requests to come up here. Then I get very, very, very offended. I felt hurt in my heart, and I was like, oh my God, why some of these black men cannot learn when this lady is sitting.
She's manipulative.
She's
manipulative. Yeah, go ahead.
Sir. When this lady saying that, oh, you guys are coming here, I'm not the one that bringing you guys. And let's be honest, okay, some of these our black brothers, most of them, they are not civilized. They don't know their rights. Because in Europe, if a white person, if a Oyibo person, right, is abusing you, you have the right to wake up that person. And you can sue that person for making you to do things that you don't want to do. But coming on somebody's platform, acting like that, and you as Wahala Queen, she too have to understand that you cannot do these things. You cannot tell somebody, stand up. I was so sad. I was down there. She's telling this black man, put your hands up, turn around, jump back like a dog. And I'm like, oh my God, why are these black men are doing it? Then I realized that, okay, some of these black men, they are not civilized.
Exposed, yeah.
They are not
and
civilized.
She did put gunpoint on their head. They did it privately.
They are not civilized because you and I, we are in Europe. Step up, you are in Europe. A Oyibo person will not tell you back like a dog and you're going to back like a dog. A Oyibo person will not tell you sit there and sit there. But some of this, our black men, they put us in this situation where we feel hurt. And also Sylvia was saying some of our black men doesn't push a baby stroller, doesn't do this.
It's a lie. It's a lie. I push double wagon.
Yes. Some of them
I push 2 wagons.
If a man doesn't do it for you, maybe he have a bitterness in him.
I change my baby's wipers.
He don't want to.
I change their diapers.
But I believe that
they clean ass,
our black men, they are the best. Our black men, they are the best. Our black men will always.
Thank you, sister, for speaking out, man. Thank you, sister. What Brima was saying, she was angered.
If anybody want to abuse me and down in the comment, that's their business. But our black men, they are the best because at the end of the day, when you date an Oyibo person,
Oga, do you say you are killing Nyash?
The end of the day,
I clean my baby Nyash full time. I took my baby to clean. No be adult Nyash.
The end of the day, you are
my baby Nyash.
when a black man dates a Oyibo person, that black man is coming back because he know where he belongs. When also a black woman dates a Oyibo man, trust me, you are going to come back because the end of the day, you know where you're supposed to be.
Can I say something?
So when you don't get that opportunity for a black man to be there for your child, then maybe there is something wrong. I'm just saying, I'm not here to poke on anybody, but we are here to learn. So I'm finished.
Okay. Like, can I say something? Do you know? I know where my sister is being hurt or she's angered from, or the direction she's coming from.
Listen, Chico. Let me tell you.
Let me
something,
speak.
Okay.
Before
you come,
we're allowed you to. We're allowed you to
talk. Because right now you are personally attacking me.
I'm not attacking you.
Okay, but then don't come here and say she's talking from anger.